Let's transform your space. Does the sight of clutter steal your joy? Don't worry, you're not alone. You found the perfect video with 10 quick decluttering tips to transform your space today. Many hearts find themselves weighed down by belongings that no longer spark joy. But just as a flower blossoms with careful tending, your space too can bloom with clarity and peace. In this video, we'll explore 10 simple yet powerful decluttering tips that you can implement today. Remember, tidying is not about discarding. It's about rediscovering the joy that already exists within your home. Let's begin. When facing a mountain of belongings, it's natural to feel overwhelmed. But remember, even the tallest mountain is climbed one step at a time. Choose a small area to begin, like a single drawer in your kitchen or a shelf in your living room. This focused approach allows you to experience immediate progress, sparking joy and motivation to continue. As you hold each item, ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, find it a loving home where it can be seen and appreciated. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. Life is busy, and finding large chunks of time to declutter can feel impossible. But fear not. Even small pockets of time can make a big difference. Set a timer for just 15 minutes and focus on decluttering a specific area. You'll be amazed by how much you can accomplish. This technique is especially helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by the thought of a full-blown tidying festival. Remember, consistency is key. Have you ever noticed how clutter seems to multiply when you're not looking? It's like it has a life of its own. To prevent this clutter creep, embrace the one in, one out rule. For every new item that enters your home, bid farewell to an existing item. This mindful approach helps you maintain a balance in your belongings, ensuring that your space remains a haven of joy and tranquility. The maybe box, a gentle approach to letting go. Parting with sentimental items can be challenging, and that's okay. It's natural to feel a sense of attachment to things that hold memories. If you're unsure about letting go of certain items, create a maybe box. Place these items in the box and store it out of sight. Set a reminder to revisit the box in a few months. You'll likely find that you've forgotten about many of the items or that you're now ready to let them go with ease. The joy of giving, donating, and sharing. One person's clutter can be another's treasure. Instead of discarding items that no longer spark joy for you, consider donating them to those in need. Giving your belongings a second life can bring immense joy and purpose to your decluttering journey. Imagine the happiness your gently used clothing or household items could bring to someone else. It's a beautiful way to spread joy and make a positive impact on the world. Bins and labels, your tidy allies. Storage solutions are essential for maintaining a tidy and organized home. Invest in clear storage bins and label them clearly. Start by sorting items into categories and use a checklist to keep track of what you have. Assign a designated spot for each category, making it easier to maintain order. Schedule regular decluttering sessions and set a timer to keep the process manageable. Remember, a well-organized home is a happy home. Decluttering, a journey, not a destination. Tidying is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing practice. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food and exercise, we must also nourish our homes with regular decluttering. Schedule short decluttering sessions into your week. even if it's just for 15 minutes at a time. This consistent approach prevents clutter from accumulating and helps you maintain a sense of calm and order in your space. Teamwork makes the dream work. Family decluttering fun. Decluttering doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Get the whole family involved and turn it into a fun and rewarding experience. Assign age-appropriate tasks to each member and encourage a spirit of teamwork. Working together towards a common goal strengthens family bonds and creates a sense of shared responsibility for maintaining a tidy and joyful home. Clear surfaces, clear mind. The power of empty space. Flat surfaces like countertops, tables, and floors have a tendency to attract clutter like magnets. Make a conscious effort to keep these surfaces clear. A clear surface creates a sense of visual calm and allows your mind to relax. It also makes cleaning a breeze. Remember, a clutter-free environment promotes a clutter-free mind. Celebrate your success. You did it! Congratulations on taking charge of your space and creating a home that sparks joy. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work and the transformation you've achieved. Acknowledge the positive impact that decluttering has had on your well-being and celebrate your commitment to creating a more joyful and fulfilling life. Remember, tidying is a journey, and every step you take towards a more organized and joyful home is a victory worth celebrating. Embrace the joy of tidying. Thank you for joining me on this journey to rediscover the joy within your home. Remember, tidying is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that brings you peace, clarity, and a sense of deep contentment. I hope these tips inspire you to embrace the transformative power of tidying and create a home that truly reflects your most joyful and authentic self. Don't forget, you are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing. Constantly feed your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Congratulations! You are one step closer to the best version of you. Like this video so others can find it. Subscribe so you don't miss our next amazing life-transforming video. Take the next step and watch these videos right here.